welcome back to the channel. It's me, Saber, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Saber. It is so nice to meet you. Boom, 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 boom. Guess what we're doing today? I got a new cookbook. Oh my gosh, I know, another one. I know, look. Is my new obsession? Yes, it is. And here is the next one that I got. Oh my god, look at it. The official Gudetama cookbook. It's recipes for lazy life. I wanted to still make a cooking video this week, but I wasn't really feeling anything, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to bring this bad boy out. Look how cute it is. Look at it. Oh my god, look at it. Did y'all know that there was an official Gudetama cookbook? Well, now you do. Boom, here it is. So, here we are. This is what we're doing today. I didn't really have anything planned, so I just went through the cookbook. I wanted to see if there was anything that I already had at the house that I can just go through and just try and make. And guess what? I found something. I think the whole point of this cookbook, let's see, it's so cute. Like, do you see this? This is so adorable. Oh, and then look at the little detail over here. Oh my gosh, isn't that adorable? I've sold on anything Sanrio biased, and Gudetama is one of my favorite ones. Well, they're all my favorite. Oh my god, look at, and then you go to this page, they have little faces on here. Oh my god, are you joking me? And then look at them. Oh, so freaking cute. It has like different parts to it as well. So there's like a breakfast section, part 1, barely awake breakfast. Very cute, very cute. We have lazy lunches for part 2, drowsy dinners for part 3, tired treats. I wonder if that's desserts. And then sleepy sips. That's so cute. Look at it right here. Oh my god. This cookbook is so cute. There's the iconic one. Another iconic one. Look at his little butt. So freaking cute. The first one that we're going to try today is from the Barely Awake Breakfast. And it's, I wish these were pillows. And look at it. It has a little picture. Are you kidding me? Look at him. And it's super cute. Like, look how, that's it. Like, not a lot. Like, not a lot at all. It makes 1 serving. What? Really? 1 serving? I need 2 large eggs? Dang. Okay. Okay. So it's really cute. Look at him. I guess it's like the easy level. It's green. It makes 1 serving. Let's see. What does this say up here? Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Relax all the muscles in your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel the soft, cushiony pillow cradling your weary head. Surprise! It's an egg! These cloud-like eggs are airy, breathtaking, and stunningly beautiful, like the most perfect down pillow you've ever seen, except edible. Pair these with bacon blankets, and you'll feel like you're having breakfast among the clouds. Well, I don't got any bacon, so we're just gonna make the eggs. Literally, like, that's it. That's it. We only need like 5 things. No, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Dude, that's crazy. This is so much better. Like, oh my god. This is cute. I can't wait to try this. Okay, alright. So, there is that. It's so cute. It's so cute. So, I guess I'll go ahead and get everything and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, and here are the ingredients. That's it. Okay, so it called for Parmesan. I have pepper jack. It called for white pepper. I got this pepper. So those are, out of the 4 ingredients, I already had to replace half. I mean, I'm sure it's fine. The whole point is for it to be easy, right? So, psh, boom, there it is. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Alright, so since we have everything all gathered, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. That should be easy, right? Like, dude, that's not gonna take long at all. I wonder if I'm gonna make it look like this. Okay, easy peasy. Easy peasy. This does seem lazy. Kind of. I don't know, this still seems like more work than lazy. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Prep a baking sheet with parchment paper. Separate the eggs, placing the whites in a large bowl. Set aside the yolks, keeping them intact. Oh god, okay. Oh, I did break it! Do you think it'll be fine? I'm gonna see what happens. No, I don't know. I think I'll just try it again. No, because I already have it. Shoot. Let's just see what happens. Keeping them intact. I think broke it. Actually, I can't believe it. All right, take 2. Shoot. Yeah, let's go. Take 2. Beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Okay. Let's see how long this will take. My arms are already tired. This hasn't even been a minute. Oh, I'm so tired already. I need to work out my arms, dude. This ain't lazy at all. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so tired already. Stiff peaks! My arms. Oh my god, my arm. It's not even forming a little bit of a peak. No stiff peaks. My arm hurts. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. Okay, I'll take it. Fold the Parmesan cheese, salt, and white pepper. Spoon the whipped whites into 2 separate mounds and place onto the prepped baking sheet. With the back of a spoon, create an indentation in the center of each mound. Bake for 2 minutes. Gently pour the egg yolks into the indentations. Okay, so now I need to add in the egg yolks. God, I hope they don't fall out. Oh, okay. Return to the oven and cook for another 3 minutes. Serve immediately. Look at them. Look at them. They look so cute. They look so cute. I don't know. I feel like this one broke. That one looked like it stayed intact pretty good. How will I remove it? Look, we got it. Oh my god. That was a challenge and a half. But it looks good. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Okay. This is what it's supposed to look like. A little crispy clouds. Not exactly the same, but it still looks good. It looks pretty good. I mean, look at it. It looks so cute. It literally looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, let's try it. Are you ready to try it? Crisp. I got a little bit of yolk. Oh, it's busting. Okay, that's fine. Let's try it. Oh, it's pretty good. Super simple. Super yummy. I thought the salt, I did fine on the salt. That's good then. Oop. I'm trying to... Oh, all right. This is good. I like the fluff a lot. I think it's super cute. I'm sure it would have tasted good with the Parmesan, but I also just had, like I said, I only had pepper jack cheese and I thought that ended up pretty good. Like, oh my gosh. I don't think it really matters what kind of cheese you use, just the cheese you like. So, I mean, it wasn't exactly, and of course, you know, I used the black pepper instead of white pepper, but I mean, same diff, right? I feel like I did cook it a little bit extra, but I don't know. I didn't expect for it to be a little bit of a challenge to get the little cloud things out off of the thing, as you can see. But we did it. We got through it. I started doing this entire thing. I started this at like 10:20 a.m. It is now 11:04. So, I mean, less than an hour. My arms are tired because I did make it harder for myself on trying to make those stiff peaks because I could have just used my little zoo thing, but I didn't. So, I mean, I'm sure that would have cut my time significantly shorter, but here we are. That it's still less than an hour. So, I mean, would I do this again? Honestly, low-key, I might. Like, if I want to be a little fancy, because it does feel fancy. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel pretty fancy. It's super adorable. I don't really feel lazy still after doing all that. But again, it was because I made it harder for myself, so I should have gone the whole lazy route. But anyway, that's that's the cookbook. We have another cookbook added into the rotation. The Gudetama one. It's so cute though. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. Chef hat. We're matching. Not really. Not at all, actually. I guess that's all I got for you guys today. What did you guys think of this cookbook? Are you excited to see what else I'm going to be making from here? I don't know how often I'll be coming back to this, but I mean, I guess whenever I just want to cook something and I don't want to put a lot of effort into it, we'll just come to this. Like, look how thin it is. It's nowhere near as big as the other cookbooks either. It's like so small and so cute. Just like, look at the back. Like, are you kidding me? That's so cute. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and make it into the end. Do you guys like eggs? Do you think you'll enjoy this cookbook? You don't like eggs? Well, this is awkward. I hope to see you on the other ones. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!